In this video, we're going to go over even and odd functions. F is even if f of negative x equal f of x. So you have to replace your x with negative x. And you simplify by getting rid of the parentheses. Then you get x to the fourth plus x squared minus 5, which is your original function. Therefore, our example is an even function. Graphically, the graph of an even function is symmetrical with respect to the y-axis. This means I graph only half side. And when I fold it respect to the y-axis, I get the mirror image, which is the other half of the graph. So graphically, we know that g of x equal x squared is an even function. Now let's look at odd. F is odd if f of negative x equal negative times f of x. So for our example, we want something like negative times x to the 5 minus x cubed, or you distribute your negatives, then you get negative x to the 5th plus x cubed, then we know that it's called an odd function. So let's substitute, replace our x with negative x. And you simplify by getting rid of the parentheses. And that's what we exactly have as an odd function. So therefore, for this particular example, f of x equal x fifth minus x to the third is an odd function. Graphically, it says the graph of an odd function is symmetrical with respect to the origin, means you pick a point. Let's choose like negative 2, comma, negative 8. And negative 2, comma, positive 8. Then we know that from negative 2 to origin and from 2 to origin, they are equally distant. So for this graph, we can tell that g of x equal x cubed is an odd function.